fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get.
Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing okay. So yes, I want to show you guys this gorgeous human hair dupe. Oh yeah, this hair is super beautiful, y'all. This is the Sensational Worthless collection Zaila in 1B, and this hair is very beautiful. I'm gonna leave the details of where I got this hair in the description box. Yeah, so guys, let me tell you the features of this hair. So this hair is the 13 by 6 ear to ear with 6-inch deep hand-tied lace. It came pre-plucked. So yeah, I wasn't really feeling the hairline because I felt like it needed some more plucking. And guys, I'm not very good with plucking either, so I wasn't even gonna try to pluck this hair. So I'm just gonna put it on like that. It has an undetectable flawless hairline. It has 2 combs in the front and 1 comb at the back and adjustable straps. It has baby hair, and I wasn't very good with the baby hair either. So guys, don't come for me when it comes to the baby hair, y'all. But yeah, this is a pre-customized unit. This hair is very beautiful. So if you guys want to see how I style this hair and my thoughts on this hair, then keep on watching. Towards the end of this video, I'm just gonna tell you guys what I think about the hair. Yes guys, so subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell and like my videos. Yeah, so keep on watching if you guys want to see how I style this gorgeous beautiful hair.
I'ma give you some closure before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars.
Baby, I need to know if you are serious about us. Yeah, baby, your love is cold, but I don't feel the trust. Something's not adding up. What you been up to? Drinking all night. Who's that right by your side? Why don't you tell me now? Oh, why you calling me late at night, saying you need a ride when you don't tell me why? I got a thing about you, you got a thing about me too, but you keep playing with my feelings, even though you know I got a thing about you. We got a thing for each other, so don't go wasting what you feeling. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. 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 Sorry is a word to you when you don't show on time, when you go out of line. Yeah, sorry is a word of truth. It isn't always enough. Sometimes you gotta hide. you been up to? Drinking all night. Who's that right by your side? Why don't you tell me now? Oh, why you calling me late at night, saying you need a ride when you don't tell me why? I got a thing about you, you got a thing about me too. But you keep playing with my feelings, even though you know I got a thing about you. We got a thing for each other, so don't go wasting what you feeling. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb. Don't be dumb, be dumb, be dumb.
Hi guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching me style this hair. This hair gave me a very hard time. Like, it was so difficult for me to style for some reason. Maybe because it's the first time I'm buying the Sensational what lace line for some reason. But let me tell you what I think about this hair. This hair is super gorgeous. I still think that it needs some more plucking. I love the 13x6 lace that you can just patch your hair wherever you want it. If you want it in the middle, if you want it on the side, you can even do an updo. You have to be careful with the lace because when I was pulling the hair, it tore a little bit, so you have to be very careful with that. This hair, I wouldn't say is super big head friendly. I would say it's like medium size friendly because I have a very big head for some reason. But yeah, it doesn't look shiny to me. It's giving me like the virgin hair dupe, like the human hair dupe. This hair cost me almost $50 with task. I think it's actually worth the price because of all these features that it came with. And what else, it doesn't shed that much. It doesn't shed because running my hands through it, and it's not even just maybe 2 or 3 strands of hair coming out. I love this hair so much. I love the way it looks. It's super cute. I mean, the synthetic wigs, I am just like loving them because it's so much better now. Like, it's no longer looking crazy like it was back in the day. So I'm really loving this synthetic wig, and I'm kind of like getting obsessed with the whole synthetic wigs, especially having a lot of YouTube reviews. I watch all those reviews like all the time. But anyways, what are your thoughts on this hair? What do you think about this hair? Comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, and like and share my video. And also, I'll be having some more wig reviews and hauls, fashion hauls. So if you want to see all of that, don't forget to subscribe, and have a blessed day. Bye bye.